Welcome to Pokémon Pakistan channel. Today we are opening, as you can see on the backdrop, we are opening EeveeHeroes. We have 3 packs of Korean EeveeHeroes. We're gonna open them today. Last time I had a Jolteon V as a pull. Let's see what we can do this time. Let's go with the first pack. See, there's a crease here. I'm not sure if this is gonna work out or not. Okay, let's go. This will be the game. There's like a custom game in every single pack of Korean booster packs of EeveeHeroes. So this is the first one. Don't know what it says. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into this. Oh, a regular non-howl. You can see that U there. That means it's not that much of a rare card. Is the second rarity on the pack. Alrighty, not a problem. Let's go ahead into the next pack. Let's try it the other way. Okay. It's hard this way. I guess I need to get a hang of all of this. Oops, sorry. Okay, so the last card is the game again. I'm not sure what this is now. Just a simple Pokédex card, I would say. I believe gets the card. Alrighty. Mantine, Meowth. Don't know this one. And I guess I see something. Oh my god. Is it? Is it? A Glaceon VMAX. Oh my god. This is cool. This is just cool. I don't have any sleeves, so I'm directly putting this into a top loader just to make sure it's safe. Alright. Glaceon VMAX. It's not the SIR, but I believe the rarity on this one, it's a pretty good rarity, I would say. Just look at it. Oh my god. This is a good one. Alright guys. Final pack. Let's see if we can pull something better. Okay. Came that way. Bring the cards out. Here's the game. Scan the code if you want. Not sure what it does. Now let's get into the pack. Okay. Fun. A lot of Mantines in this. Eevee! Come on, man, you're the GOAT. Voltorb. And the last card. Oh, it's a trainer. Ah! Alrighty. Oh, sorry about that. So, I would say it's a pretty good pack opening. We got a hit here covering all of this. That's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm a new user trying to get as much as content as possible. Help me out with this and we'll do something great. Adios.